genius strategies for your Block Blast application or your Block Blast gameplay. To start things off, of course, open your Block Blast application and then choose or pick your preferred mode, either adventure mode or classic mode. Either one will do. One simple trick is to focus on making vertical and horizontal lines for you to be able to clear the blocks much faster and much better. Make sure to calculate every block you place and leave spaces for bigger blocks and complicated blocks that might be given on your inventory on the next rounds. Keep your combo going as much as possible as this will help in getting more score and a higher score. Keep practicing for you to be able to improve your score much better, and that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching and subscribe.